Okay, in this tutorial I want to just show you how to access the sound effects that are built into Final Cut Pro. All you need to do is on this middle bar, which has all your tools on it, there is a button right here that just has the music and sound options available to you. And you'll notice there are three little folders, and inside each one has a bunch of different sound effects. So I can click on ambience, for example, and I can double click on bank. I'm going to pause that. So I can hear this is sort of like background noise. So ambience is going to be any sort of background noise. So if you need a background noise, then you might look here. If you can't find any that work, right, so there's hospital. Okay, maybe you need a playground. Anyways, these are sorts of options that you have available to you. You do have school cafeteria, school gym. So those might be helpful when you're trying to add in some background noise. But then you've also got things like explosions, animal noises, Foley, impacts and crashes, that sort of thing that are available to you in both the iLife and the Final Cut. They're going to be a little bit different. And then the iMovie sound effects, again, you have, there's not as many options, but there are some options there. So that's how you access the sound effects for or inside of Final Cut Pro.